Hi guys, hope you are doing amazing. So in today's video I'm going to talk about my AM skincare routine, which includes some of the amazing products by a brand which is bringing all the global beauty secrets to India to us, and the ingredient list is really good. For my day routine, my go-to brand is Pilgrim, and I'm using their Vino Sunrise Ritual from the Secrets of Vinotherapie. And now it's Vino Clock, my time of the day, which is made with red wine extract from Bordeaux, France. So for me, daytime skincare routine has to be very quick, very short, with all effective products, and I prefer non-greasy, lightweight moisturizers. So here are all the three products. So I got my hands on these products and I fell in love with them, which includes a superb cleanser, red wine face wash, red wine face mist and toner, red wine day cream, which also contains SPF 30 and doubles up as a sunscreen. And apart from these three products, I am also using red wine face mask, which also contains mulberry and rosehip oil. Pilgrim is a global brand and it is bringing all the beauty tradition, like global beauty traditions from across the world under one umbrella. Having sourced their ingredients from all across the world, their products are 100% cruelty-free, vegan and FDA approved. My first step is to clean my face and get rid of all the gunk or oil or dirt. So I use red wine face wash, which looks like a beautiful strawberry jelly. And the best part is it has some really amazing ingredients like red wine extracts, vitamin C and aloe vera. Formula is perfect if you're looking for anti-aging solutions like me. It will enhance the collagen production and it will also reduce wrinkles and fine lines. And what I've observed, that it moisturizes my skin as it cleans it, so my skin doesn't feel stripped or dry. So the second step is going to be red wine face mist and toner. I really enjoy the moisturizing and hydrating properties of this formula, and it also has niacinamide, which means it's going to work on the pigmentation. It's going to strengthen skin's barrier. Red wine extracts in the formulation ensures that you get all the anti-aging benefits. Final step is red wine face cream, and it has broad spectrum SPF, which is SPF 30 PA triple plus. Again, the key ingredients are red wine extracts and vitamin C, plus it also contains rosehip oil, which means it's going to be a perfect anti-aging formulation. It's also going to enhance the collagen. It's going to reduce pigmentation and scars, and it is really good to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. I really enjoy the lightweight texture. It doesn't feel heavy or greasy. It just sinks into the skin and makes my skin look really plump and fresh. So I hope you guys enjoyed the whole sunrise ritual and found it really helpful. I'm sure you guys can see that the ritual is very quick, very short and easy to do, and can be done by any skin type. It's going to work for all skin types. So I'm going to mention my coupon code on the screen. You can get some amazing discount if you use my coupon code. I'm going to link all the products in the description box, so do not forget to check them out. So if you're looking for amazing products with global ingredients and that are made in India, do check Pilgrim's product. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.